What's up, FH fam? It's your homeboy LD here, and we are back in Cheerful Homes, Mabalacat, Pampanga. We are currently conducting the PKS of their newest project, still in Mabalacat, called Symphony Homes. After the product knowledge seminar, I think we'll be going to the model unit. We'll check out the model unit. So I'm gonna update you as we move along about the project. So let's go. This is the venue of the PKS. It's the clubhouse at Cheerful Homes 2. By the way, Cheerful Homes 2, in my previous video, I think I'm gonna link it here. My previous video, Cheerful Homes 2 are two-story buildings, while Cheerful Homes 1, which is not visible from here, is only one-story townhouse. That's the difference between Cheerful Homes 1 and 2. While Symphony will be composed of single attached and townhouse units.
Sorry dito yung laptop, kailangan ko lang malapit sa laptop pero
So this is it. This is the PKS.
So before anything else, let me touch a bit about the Philippine economy. Kasi po, sabi sa di ba, sa lately, yung mga lumalabas sa balita, parang natatakot sila sa real estate bubble. Ganon, di ba? Being come together in perfect harmony. With thoughtfully planned spaces, modern amenities, and a welcoming neighborhood, Symphony Homes creates an environment where you can live, grow, and thrive, ensuring that your investment isn't just in a property, it is in a lifestyle that offers a house and a lot more. So yan po ang ating, actually cover page po to ng ating brochure, no? So in Symphony Home, ng ating project because of its proximity to this infrastructure developments. Number 2 po, eco-friendly community. Well-connected, walkable, and bike-friendly ang ating community. It's a master plan development that provides various activities for all ages. Yung gusto may healthy lifestyle, yung pong pwede po siya sa mga bata, pwede sa PWD, for the elderly, it's elderly friendly. And of course, flood-free community and structurally sound development. Ang spill, dapat malapit sa pinagtatrabahuhan, di ba? Yung lagi di ba? Yung convenience and all, no? Pero kasi po, because of the hybrid setup or work from home setup, they realized na, pwede na ako lumayo. Kasi, halimbawa sa hybrid, kung papasok lang sila once a week or twice a week at the most, parang okay na sa kanya yung commute na yun kahit malayo. Twice lang naman nila gagawin yun eh. Most of the time naman, nandun pa rin sila sa bahay nila. No? So they realize na parang mas gusto ko yata ng tahimik na lugar na na-appreciate bigla nila yun kahit medyo lumayo sila. So ito po yung mga tao na siguro nagsimula nga sila nasa studio unit. Nag-asawa na, nagkaisang anak na, tapos mag-grow na yung family, di ba? So I think it's time for them to upgrade. Diba? So, kailangan na nila mag-move out. They need that extra space, no? Nung dating akala nila, kunyari, nakatira, malapit sa office, si father or si mother, ganyan. Biglang nagkaroon ng work from home setup. Hindi na pala sila lumalabas everyday. Nandun na lang sa condo unit. Diba? So, kung na-realize sila, parang nakakabata na dito, parang okay yata lumabas-labas para ganyan, di ba? Investors and international investors that are nag-i-invest po within Clark, it benefits the province itself. Lalo na po yung mga areas na malapit po sa Clark. No? So, for one, because of that, yung property values are rising. If you will check kung i-google niyo po yung mga properties near Clark, kahit po wala masyadong development, but the zonal values, at chinek po ninyo, ang taas na. Wala pa po nangyayari doon, no? So, ganun po siya. No? So, as we all know, Pampanga is known na daming pwedeng kainan, di ba? Daming sikat na mga restaurants dyan. Yung mga staycation, hotels are booming, especially in Clark. Yung mga annual festivals that you will see, that you can experience within Pampanga, pwede nyo pong ma-enjoy yung Hot Air Balloon Festival, yung Aqua Planet, and then even the outdoor trail ride going to Mount Pinatubo po, no? So, kumbaga, so meron siya yung business aspect, is thriving, also the leisure aspect, nag-grow din po siya. In Mabalacat City, It's ano po siya, sa Barangay Atlubola po, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. So yung project po, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Cheerful. Dali po, ano ba ba? Sorry. Ito po tayo sa Cheerful. Ito po yung project natin, yung Dilaw. Ayan. So from Cheerful po, it's around 2 kilometers away. 2 kilometers away. So, papunta po from NLEX, pwede po kayo mag-exit sa Santa Ines, kung pumunta po kayo dito siguro. Tapos anong magalang Mabalacat Highway, kakaliwa po sa Tipco Road, and may access po doon going to the project. Yung isa pong access point na mas priority po ngayon, along MacArthur Highway, kakanan po ng Candelaria Street, and then from this point, tayo na po yung nagko-construct po tayo ngayon ng right of way. So from here, this point po, let me emphasize, no? Tayo na po nagko-construct ng right of way from this point. No? So, for now, baka po kasi, ano pa siya, hindi pa ready for tripping on the actual site. Okay? Kasi po, kinokonstruct pa lang, medyo delikado pa, no? That's why, yung pong model, yung show village that we built, sa Cheerful po muna namin ginawa para mas madali din po ma-access ng ating mga clients. Ganun po. So pag may tripping, pakita nyo lang po muna for the meantime yung show village po natin dito sa Cheerful. And then we'll announce naman po once meron na po tayong access route para po din mapakita natin yung site. No? Sorry po yung Mabalacat City. Tapos po, yung overall development po natin, ito, yung buong yan hanggang doon, actually 100 hectares po yan. So we are just releasing the first phase of the development. Yung first phase po ng development, it's 28 hectares. Okay? And then yung product type po natin, so it's residential house and lot under PD 957. So, di ba po na-mention ko, since this is Symphony Homes, automatic yan. PD 957 po yan. Unit types po natin are 2-story townhouse, we have a 2-story single attached, and 2-story shop house. Pero yung shop house po, sa future pa namin i-offer yan. Kaya hindi ko muna masyadong i-discuss. And then later on, I'll discuss na lang a more detailed on the townhouse, single attached. Yung mga lot, area, floor area, mamaya po bibigay ko later, and yung layout. Target launch po, nag-launch tayo this week. Congratulations to all of us, and happy selling. PLS. And target completion for the whole development, it's 4th quarter 2029. So nagtatapit plan para mas ma-appreciate niyo. So ito yung isang main entrance, that's the other main entrance. This is the main amenity park. Tapos ito po yung ating mga single attached units. Ito yung mga townhouses natin. Yan, sa loob. No? May special feature to, yung green lane. Ito po siya, yung green lane. Later, i-explain na lang po ni Architect Romel what the green lane is about. Pero, ako naman po, i-explain ko yung sectoring natin pag-open ng inventory. No? So, we have 9 sectors. This week, we opened Sector 1. Itong puti. Yan, puti. Inopen na po natin yan. And then, yung susunod po, Sector 2, itong dilaw. Sector 3, yung purple na dark, yung taas. Tapos ito po, Sector 4, yung pink. Tapos pag ganun po tayo, Sector 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos hiniwalay na sector lang po namin yung single attached units kasi po, limited lang po siya. So we would like to control lang yung pag-open ng single attached units as we go by. Currently po, dun sa sectors that we were opening, we only open inner and end unit. Okay? So, inopen po muna namin sila kasi sila po yung non-bath. So, we will open yung pong corner and single attached on a much later date kasi batabon na po sila. So, inuuna po muna namin i-open yung pong mga non-bath units. Romel naman, di-discuss din niya to later. So, yung main amenity feature, yung main gate and guardhouse natin. We have a secondary gate and guardhouse. Main amenity park, laman po nun yung clubhouse, yung lap and kiddie pool, outdoor play area, covered court, grand lawn, pet park, and back of house facilities. Sa loob po ng clubhouse, ang laman po niya, we have a lounge, function room, gym, co-working space, game room, kids playroom, tsaka po yung office ng property management. Ang tanong, so kayo nakakita ng subdivision na may ganyang amenities? ba? Parang wala naman eh, di ba? Sa condo, meron. Pero subdivision po yata, parang medyo, ako wala pa akong nakitang may ganyan eh. No? So, yun po yung ating mga amenities. So, ito po yung, kailangan gawin ko itong laser pointer. Ito po yung ating main gate and guardhouse, main entry feature, our perspective of what the clubhouse will look like, covered court, yun po siya, and the main amenity part. So, as mentioned, so ito po yung clubhouse natin. Dito po sa area na to, ito na po yung mga pools na connect na po sa clubhouse. Yung outdoor play area po ng mga bata, yung covered court, nandito po. We have a grand lawn in this portion. So, ang concept niyan, parang tagusan yung view of the clubhouse para as you enter, ang tumbok po niya, yung view ng grand lawn. No? And then, we have yung pet park po dito and some back of house facilities na dito po siya. No? So, some of the subdivisions, hindi na po naglalagay ng mga areas for security room, for utilities, for yung mga handyman, pag may mga nagre-repair, lounge. We have yung co-working space. Yung function rooms, good for 100, pero pwede pong hatiin sa dalawa. And then we have a game room, gym, and kids playroom. Perspective po nung other outdoor amenities, so yung outdoor play area, yung kiddie pool, tsaka po yung lap pool for adults. And some photos of, images of the park, so yung pet park, yung grand lawn, we have outdoor gardens po, and a gazebo po kung gusto nyo emote. Bahay po. Yan. So, true to our theme na Symphony Homes, we are calling our townhouse Sonata. Yan. So, yung Sonata, di ba, ang ano niya sa music, parang a group of people playing. Parang ganun siya eh. So, pwede mga 3 to 4 or 5 people na tumutugtog. Sonata po ang tawag doon. No? So, yung Sonata townhouse po natin, it is a 2-story, 2-bedroom townhouse. Ang floor area po niya for all, inner and corner, it's 48 square meters. Yung lot area po, for the inner unit, it's 54, and unit it's 95, corner unit it's 102. Yung po yung minimum lot cap. Pero may mga certain blocks na medyo mas malaki ng konti. Yung pong, natin, yung pong, yung pagtawag po sa kanya, parang kung di tayo malito, no? So, like, inner unit. So, Sonata, inner. Sonata N. Sonata corner. Ganun po. And then, kung may mapapansin po ninyo sa floor plan, so yung floor plan po, meron na pong provision for carport sa harap. And then, may living and dining area. Tapos po yung kitchen and bathroom. On the second floor, yan po yung layout, suggested layout for the 2 bedrooms. Yung turnover po nito, yung deliverable po nung bahay, ano po siya, bare finish po siya. Meaning wala pong floor finish, wala pong interior partitions, wala po rin yung finish yung stairs. Pero may stairs naman, hindi lang po na-finish. No? So, ganun po siya. Pero, meron po tayong deliverable kitchen na naka-tile, kitchen counter, naka-tiles na po, tsaka may lababo na rin. Meron din po tayong bathroom, so naka-tiles din po yun sa shower area, tapos 1 layer po dun sa lavatory and water closet, tsaka may bathroom fixtures na din po. So talagang ang ano lang po na ni buyer will be the floor finishes, the interior partitions, and yung finish ng stairs. Ganun po siya. Later on, if you want to check the deliverable unit, nandun po siya sa ano ulit, sa model house natin, sa may cheerful entrance. So pwede niyo po puntahan doon. Ang maganda po dito sa bahay, pansin niya, no? So, some artists rendering for the interiors po ng Sonata townhouse. So, ganyan po siya. I-offer po natin ito on a much later date. Pero, ito naman po, mas malaki ang lote, mas malaki ang bahay. So, the floor area is 65.8, lot area is 120. This is also a 2-story, 2-bedroom home. Papapansin nyo, isa lang ang kanyang firewall. Kaya siya attached. Tapos ganyan po siya naka-layout. Hindi siya yung nakadikit yung isang bahay dito sa kabila. No? So, yun po siya. And then on the ground floor, since sa laki ng lote niya, dahil 120 siya, actually dalawang sasakyan kasha. Doon po sa, sa carport. And then, kitchen, yung pagpasok po ninyo, living and dining, there's a kitchen, may bathroom on the ground floor. If you will notice, yung staircase po niya mas grand, winding staircase. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng accent light, chandelier, di ba, mga ganun. Pwede tayo nun. And then sa taas, 2 bedrooms, and there's already a bathroom on the second floor. Okay. Ang difference po dito sa Sonata, si Aria. Si Aria po, when we turn this over, titira na lang po si client. So, ibig sabihin, may floor finish na po siya, meron na pong interior partitions, upgraded ng konti yung bathroom fixtures and the bathroom tiles, upgraded po ng konti yung kanyang kitchen counter, so titira na lang po si buyer dito. And yung pong second floor natin, yung master bedroom, actually, di ba, kita nyo, laki, no? We're offering, 2-bedroom po siya, no? Yung master bedroom, pwede po siyang hatiin sa dalawa, compliant pa rin sa building code. So if let's say the client needs 3 bedrooms on the second floor, kahit hindi po siya mag-expand, hatiin na lang po niya yung master bedroom, pwede na. Pwede na po siyang 3 bedroom. Okay. Yung standard, so meron po tayong SPAT DP, 10% SPAT, 10% in 29 months, 80% balance through yung lump sum balance po. May 2% discount po yun. Deferred cash, 100% in 48 months. Siyempre po, walang discount kasi deferred cash na. Spread DP, 15% in 36 months, 85% through lump sum balance. Siyempre, wala rin discount. And then we have some special pay terms. So ito po special pay terms until April 2025 lang po ang effectivity niya. So special 10-10 DP, so 10% DP in 3 months. Tapos, yung next 10% isa-spread natin in 33 months. 80% through lump sum balance, may 2% discount. Special 5-15 DP, so 5% in 3 months. 15% in 33 months, so 80% through lump sum, may 1% discount. Tapos may special spread down payment po tayo, no? So, 10% in 36 months, 90% through lump sum balance. Pero syempre, wala na po siyang discount. So, pero again, yung special pay term po, until April, sales cut-off lang po siya. Sample computation for the Sonata. So, yung Sonata, pagpasok po natin sa Cheerful, ito po, no? So, pag question, sino po yung utility provider for Symphony Homes Mabalacat? So, yung power po niya is under PEDCO, Pampanga Electric Cooperative. And then yung water po, we provided a water tank, a deep well, pero it will be operated by a third-party water company. Yung mga fees, yung membership to the Homeowners Association, meron pong kailangan yung working capital na parang equivalent to 3 months ng kanyang HOA dues. So, kailangan din po yun iyan. No? Usually po yun, prior to move in, humihingi lang po ng proof of payments si property management for that. Expansion. So, as mentioned earlier, bawal po mag-expand sa harap. Pwede lang po carport. Pwede po mag-expand sa likod. Pwede po sa gilid para sa mga end unit and sa single attached units po. We have a DOR naman that shows the design guidelines of how the expansions can happen. And later on, si Architect Romel will discuss it further. Parking. All units, since we have provided
so, hence the reason why we want to initially sell also yung inner units natin. Kasi 1,241, so that comprises 33% of our available units. No? And then sumunod doon yung mga end units at 701, so mga nasa 25 yun. And then another corner, 113, so more than 5% yun. Amenity core, we have a 2-hectare amenity core, so that's the biggest that we have right now in terms of, as compared with other ECO and even MRT projects. No? So malaki itong ano natin na on a single location. On a single location, pinakamalaki ito, 2 hectares na amenity core. Okay, so what does that mean no, in terms of dun sa site development plan natin? So here, we have different hierarchies on the road. No? So we have the 18-meter na road right-of-way. So ito yung the widest that we have. No? So coming from the main entrance, so even before you reach the guardhouse, you will already have parang sort of street list na tayo of the full landscape experience. Kasi very lush na yun and very colorful na yung landscape natin. even before you reach the main entrance. And then as you enter the guardhouse, you will be greeted by the vast amenity core on your right side. And then some single attached units naman on the left side. And then, as mentioned earlier, we also have the 15-meter na road right-of-way para sa major road natin that will lead you to the rest of the future development. And then, we also have yung 10-meter na secondary roads natin. So the importance of these secondary roads is that this will lead you to the different portions of the subdivision where we locate yung mga neighborhood parks natin or yung mga pocket parks natin scattered within the Phase 1 development. And then of course, lastly, the 8-meter road right-of-way is this is the smallest that we have dun sa subdivision natin in terms of road networks. So ito na yung medyo, what does that mean? Ibig sabihin, very prime yung location ng mga single attached units natin because fronting them, mas malalawak yung mga kalye. So in terms of exclusivity and privacy, parang mas private ito than the rest of the townhouses that we have. We have space for greens and then sidewalk. Ayan, ito makikita. Kahit dalawa kayo na naglalakad, pwede, kaya pa. May enough space pa tayo. And then covered pa kayo ng sheet. And then, dun sa major road naman natin, ito yung 15 meters that will connect Phase 1 to the future development. So dito, actually kaya pa rin naman yung kaya pa rin naman yung 4 na sasakyan. But what we wanted to highlight is that kahit na may 2 sasakyan na nagtatraverse dun sa road mo, pwede pang mag-bike, pwede pa yung motor na magkakasabay sila dun sa kalye. And then of course, enough space for sidewalk and landscaping. And then yung secondary road naman natin, the road becomes more intimate, more private, mainly because papunta na ito talaga dun sa mga dun sa mga streets ng mga bahay natin.
Long video, long vlog, because that was a PKS, Product Knowledge Seminar. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the showroom of Symphony Residences. I wish to include it in this video, but it just got too long. So just in the next video, it will be purely house tour. So see you in the next video. Bye!